To wrap up the CRUD operations, we have one operation left, which is the delete operation. Click the plus button to create a new tab. Select the delete operation from the drop-down menu, and the URL we need to use should be a unique resource. Localhost :8080 /employees/1. Let's delete the first employee we have added. Click on send. The response 204, no content. The response has no content, but let's see if the object got deleted by going back to the very first tab or the second tab, which is the get operation on employees. Send it one more time, and this time we don't have any response. It says 404 not found. Let's go back to the database, execute a select query just to make sure it's deleted, and it's gone. We have only one record, which is ID 2, and the first name is John and last name is Thippireddy. So you have successfully completed all the CRUD operations using get, post, put, patch as well as delete HTTP methods.